What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from KuCoin to Phantom Wallet. So if you're wondering how to exactly do so, this one is going to be pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your Phantom Wallet address first. So in this case, you want to go ahead and click on the option that says receive. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on receive here. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose the option, whichever crypto you want to receive. Like, for example, you want to receive Ethereum. Let's go ahead and choose Ethereum here. Let's go ahead and click on copy. Now, by the way, you need to make sure that you're using the correct network here. Now, by default, it will use, or Ethereum will use Ethereum network. So now Solana will use the Solana network. Base is going to be using Base, and Polygon, same thing, Polygon. Now, otherwise, if you see a different one here, as you can see, Bitcoin Taproot or Bitcoin Native Segwit. So in this case, make sure to see that first. But yeah, so we're using the Ethereum network. Now, once we've done that, let's head over into our KuCoin account, which in this case, this one. Now, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and hover over assets, click on overview. Now, once you click on overview here, what you need to do is you just need to head over to your assets and you want to go ahead and click on the three-dotted option on the asset that you want to basically send. So in this case, once you hover on the three-dotted option here, you should have the option that says withdraw, deposit. So in this case, obviously, you want to go ahead and select the withdraw option. But once you've clicked on it, this is what you'll be seeing. So in this case, just confirm that you selected the correct coin here and you've chosen wallet address. Now from here, just enter the wallet address that we just copied before, which in this case from your Phantom wallet, and also the network that we've actually are using. So again, since we are using the Ethereum wallet, we are going to use the Ethereum network. Otherwise, if it's specified in a different network, just make sure you're using that network here. But once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically specify the amount. So just enter the amount that you want to basically withdraw here. And also, if you want to basically use your funding account or your trading account as well, and if you want to add notes, go ahead and add remarks as well. Go ahead and click on the withdraw option that you see there. And once you click on it, it might ask you to verify your identity just to make sure that you are the person that's withdrawing from this account here. But go ahead and do that, and you should be able to make your transaction here. Now, transactions usually take around a few seconds or a few minutes. Just wait for it. But usually speaking, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.